Hey guys, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can use your local code files in Webflow. So for that you will need to have Python and Visual Studio Code installed in your computer, right? So the way you can check if Python is installed is you write Python hyphen hyphen and then version, right? So this is terminal if you know already. So you can access terminal from settings search bar and then typing terminal. Okay, so yeah, once you go there and then you see that the Python is installed, right? Either it will be Python hyphen hyphen version or Python 3 hyphen hyphen version. Okay, so once you see a result like this, then that means Python is installed. Now, what you're going to do is simply right click on it, right click on your document folder, then click on a new folder, and then create a script folder, right? So any script that you are going to use in your site is going to be stored somewhere. So we are creating a folder for it, right? So this folder can be in any place. You can even have it in your downloads folder, but for now I'm just going to use a simple script folder, and then there you are going to add the name of the project, right? So in this case I'm actually using this project named Advisia, right? So I am going to add a new folder and I will name it Advisia, right? Now what we are going to simply do is we are going to go to Visual Studio Code, click on open folder, and once we do that, then we can go inside downloads, sorry, documents, and then the same folder that we created, the script folder, we have opened script folder, and then we click on open, right? Once we do that, then the interface is going to look like this. You are going to click on terminal and then new terminal, and simply because you have Python installed, you are just going to do python hyphen m http dot server. Okay, and then you're going to add this port. So this port can be anything like 3000 as well, but for this example we are using 8080, and then we are going to do enter, right? So we are going to go here a bit later, but for now let's create the script file that we are going to use for our example, right? So we are going to have script.js, and in that we are going to add this alert and then working. So this will just show us whether or not this specific file is working, right? So once we do that, now we can go to our this browser, and then we can write local host and then this and then 8080 slash. Once we do that, then as you can see, we are hosting all of the files here, right? We click on Advisia and then we click on script.js. Then we have this specific script file already being hosted, right? So we copy this link. We are going to come back to Webflow, and then we are going to write script src is equal to this, right? Now don't forget the closing end tag or else it won't work, right? So once you do that and you go here and click on save, now you publish it. So what will happen now is this file that we are having is being served over this specific URL. So as you can see, when we go here and every time we refresh, it is going to work, right? Sometimes it might ask whether or not you want to allow a local file to be served. So in that you just need to click allow, and this is how you can easily use VS Code for any coding that you want to use in your Webflow website, right? Once you are done coding, then you can simply just replace that script source and then add this specific code there, right? So the code that you have made. So yeah, you want to know that this is just going to work in your own computer. So basically, if you make any changes here, it won't be seen to the client or anyone browsing the site unless they are using the same device as you are. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like this video.